We're going to be going over some EDC 1st of March, and figure I'd just go over what I've been carrying since the new year. First off, we're going to do a handkerchief. Now, why should you carry a handkerchief? They're awesome, great little utility thing to have. It's always nice to have some sort of cloth with you, whether it be a handkerchief, bandana, anything like that. You can use it, get a wound, place it on a wound. You're in church and you have some old lady crying, you can offer your handkerchief to her. If you're eating somewhere and they didn't give you any napkins, you can always take this out. Of course, the old standby blowing your nose if you're sick. Just be sure and swap them out. If you're doing that, you don't want snotty rags in your pocket all the time. They can get pretty gross. So, tons of utility. If you need to pick up hot things or whatever, good cotton handkerchief, always keep that with me in my pocket. So that's gonna be number one. Number two on the list, not really, it's just what I carry every day. It's gonna be a pocket knife. This is a Spyderco folder, about 3.5 inches. Type really doesn't matter too much as long as you have a good sharp, blade of some sort with you. Every once in a while I'll carry a fixed blade of some sort, small pocket fixed blade. But here in the last 3-4 months or so, this is what I've been daily carrying. So I like the Civivis too. I've carried quite a few of those. But this one's been bomb proof so far. So Spyderco pocket knife. Next up in my pockets is going to be some earbuds. These are the Sony LinkBuds plus something or another. I don't know. They've been pretty good. I carried AirPod Pros for several years and they just got so nasty and grungy. I wish they would do those in something that's not only white. I got the blacks and the Sony. These just fit right in the little watch pocket, easy to carry. So carry those with me. Thing on the list is going to be a lighter. Now, I don't smoke, but this has a lot of great utilitarian uses as far as anything from starting a campfire, starting a grill. Always keep some duct tape wrapped around there because you never know when you might need some duct tape. Also, duct tape is great for fire starter as well. If you fire extender, you can light that duct tape off and it burns really well. Also, I've taken the child safety off, so just if your hands are cold or whatever, it's a little bit easier to manipulate the striker and the gas. And also, I keep these in my truck in different bags and stuff, but I always try to keep one in my pocket just because you never know when you might need one. Cut some paracord, need to burn the end so it doesn't fray out and get all nasty. Just a simple Bic lighter with duct tape wrapped around it's going to be the next thing here. So the next thing on my list is going to be a small flashlight. Now this one does change a little bit. This is the Olight 3T 2 EOS i3T. I don't know. Olight, it's a good little light. I like this. It's just single click on for a low power, and you click it for a higher power. It's got the hat clip, so if you want to clip it to your hat for a headlamp. Hadn't actually done that. So if you want to clip it to your hat for a headlamp, you don't have a headlamp with you, you can very easily do that with this light as well. Good, strong, sturdy pocket clip, 2-direction. Also has a little lanyard hole there if you want to use that, but super thin, small. It's not the brightest thing, but it's great if you just need to get through the house when it's dark and don't want to cut the lights on, or dark space, something like that. So a good little flashlight. Now when I'm working, I do carry a bigger flashlight, but for just daily use, just you need a small little light somewhere, this does a great job with that and gets the job done. So the next thing on the list is going to be my wallet. This is the Ridge wallet. I've been real happy with this. Got a little cash keeper on the back. I think I've got, I don't know, maybe 10 or so cards in here, so it's a little bit thick, but as far as if I had 10 cards in another wallet, it'd be super huge. easy front pocket carry. It's got the RFID blocking in it. So, you know, the only downside with that is I do have a key card, magnetic key card in here. So when I'm at work, in order to buzz in, I got to kind of protrude the card just a little bit just to get it to read. But other than that, you know, it's been great. I've probably had this 3 years. It used to be black, so you can tell it's got some good patina on it for sure. But you know, so far all the hardware stayed together. I hadn't had to tighten anything. I hadn't had the elastic band stretch out. You know, it's been really good. So even though they are kind of expensive, I do recommend the Ridge wallets. They're good stuff. So the final thing on my EDC list, and this is pretty much, you know, what I daily all the time, but the last thing is going to be a firearm of some sort. Right now we do have the Canik METE MC9 on me. This is, you know, pretty much a daily carry for me. It's nice and thin, no worries there. But you know, sometimes I'll carry different ones. If you've seen the fanny pack bag I did, had a different firearm in that one, and just kind of depends on what the day is and what I feel like carrying. So, but most of the time it's the Canik METE MC9. This is a quick, short one. You know, not much to it. Thanks for stopping by. I can put some of these in the description if you'd like. If you're looking at maybe purchasing some or have more questions about them, you can look them up. You know, pretty simple stuff. I just got to noticing it's mostly all black. That wasn't by design. Along with my phone case, it's black too. So I guess I just like black EDC stuff. But thanks for checking it out, and we will see you next time with another one. So everybody have a good day. Stay safe out there. And thanks for stopping by the DitchDoc's channel. We'll see you next time.